Stop banging on that table. Don't hit your sister. Just shut up and listen, will you? Louder's not better. We as parents think the louder we get, the more it's more effective. What we don't understand as parents is that behavior is really a foreign language to us. Behavior is another means of communicating. It's our kids communicating that there's a deeper problem than the behavior. And so what we do at Focused Healthy Family is help parents understand that foreign language, that behavior language, and then to get past that to get to the deeper problem that's going on. So in the workshops and in the programs and the work we do with parents, we're helping to teach that foreign language of behavior and get to the deeper problem and work through that. So check us out at focusedhealthyfamily.com today. Thank you.